Hello there, it's John here again. This week's tool of the week is an ARC Welder. Every smallholder should have one. Don't send stuff out to get repaired. Learn to weld and get a little welder. They come in various shapes and forms. A little inverter welder's all you want. That'll do all you need. They're sold in Lidl, Aldi and all the rest of it. That's all you need for doing little jobs. My particular welder's just a little ARC welder that I keep in my workshop. You can go on to MIG welders and other types of welders, which we won't go into. We just want to have an ARC welder, basically to join metal together. If something that's broken down, you need to weld it. It's not rocket science. There's loads of videos out there to keep you occupied learning to weld. I'm not going to talk about learning to weld. I've been welding for more than 50 years. I think I started when I was about 9, 10. And I've been welding ever since. I think nearly every day I weld something.
So if you were a farmer or a smallholder and you wanted to weld, say, a broken gate catch or something,
go and get yourself a little inverter welder. The reason for the inverter welder is they're very compact and they'll work off a generator. So you can be totally remote in the middle of nowhere and you can weld your broken gate. You don't have to run electric cables 2 miles to weld the gate. It'll run off a generator and weld all you need to weld. Various welding rods out there. General purpose ones is an E6013, which is a basic general purpose welding rod. You get a holder and an earth return. You can join metal together, it's not a problem. You can use a magnet. I use magnets for mine, and you can put round tube, stick a magnet on it, that'll hold it still while you weld it. It's not a problem. Chipping hammer, obviously to chip it off. Put your glasses on again. If you're going to weld, obviously you need a shield, a mask to shield your eyes. You'll get a suntan as well. Don't weld with short sleeves. You'll get a nice suntan, or the rays will burn you. Glasses for your eyes when you're going to chip the weld off. Look on Google, you just punch in welding, follow the videos. There's some nice people out there that do nice welds. There's other people out there that shouldn't be teaching people to weld. I actually was employed to teach people to weld. So be careful out there. But check the market out, they're not that dear. They're about £90, will get you a nice basic inverter welder.
right, if you were to buy a second-hand welder, say, off a well-known internet site, what would you be looking for? Because the photographs just don't give you the information.
Something that's going to weld up to about 160 amp. These rods here will burn about 90 amps. I've got settings on mine that will range from 60 amp, 80 amp, 90 amp, and we just increase it as we need to increase the welding rod. And that's down to the thickness of the material. A nice 2.5 rod will weld you up to 8mm thick metal. It's not a problem.
So if you were looking to buy something,
a little inverter up to 200 amp would be ideal.
And if you were to buy something second hand and you're going by the photographs,
I'd like to see it working. I wouldn't be buying something and getting it delivered and see if it's okay. I would really want to get something that was local. But they're so cheap, I think you would just go and buy a new one. You'll get a 2-year guarantee and they're basically bomb proof. That's as much as I can tell you about welding. I'm not going to run instructional videos on welding. There's too many out there. If anyone's got any questions about welding, just send us a message and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.